Can't find a place to park your bike? Well, maybe you should try folding it up into a backpack. This is the Airwheel E3 and it's a foldable e-bike. Well, maybe it's not a bike because it doesn't really have any pedals. It's more like a scooter because you just put your feet on the rests and ride away. So you can fold it up into a backpack neatly with all the components folding into themselves, and then you can put it on this included bag. The whole weight all up is around 27.5 pounds or 12.5 kilos. It can take up to a 100 kilo or 220 pounds of weight on it, and you can go around 12 miles an hour, or that is 20 kilometers an hour. It has a bell, it has a light, it also has a USB port so you can recharge your phone while you're riding, and it gives you around 1 hour of ride time. To charge it up, it takes around 2.5 to 3.5 hours sitting on a charger. I rode it around the halls here at CES. It's indoor use pretty much only rather than designed for outdoor use. It's got a lot of good pickup. It's fun to ride. It's nice and small and compact. I carried it around on my back. It is heavy, but it's not really designed as your everyday commuter. It's more designed for things like warehouse runs, indoor runs for security guards, and maybe shopping centers. It is $700 and the Airwheel E3 is available now.